Hello guys, this is me Vijay and you're watching Newsplay. Let's start the show with some hot news. गाइस, किंग ऑफ बॉलीवुड शाहरुख खान IPL 5 जीतने के बाद उन्होंने तैयारी पकड़ ली है IPL 6 की और उन्होंने अपनी टीम कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स की एंथम सॉन्ग के लिए एकॉन को एक बार फिर से साइन कर लिया है। इस सॉन्ग का टाइटल है कोरबो लोरबो जीतो रे। इस सॉन्ग को कंपोज किया है विशाल ददलानी ने, जिन्होंने छमक छल्लो भी कंपोज किया था। इट्स अ न्यू वर्जन ऑफ द सॉन्ग विल बी अ सेलिब्रेशन एंड एक्सप्लोजन ऑफ द फन फिल्म बंगाली कल्चर। शाहरुख खान अपनी टीम के लिए ग्रैंड पार्टी भी होस्ट करेंगे विद द बॉलीवुड A-लिस्टर्स। वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट शाहरुख खान फॉर IPL 6। गाइस, अजय देवगन की सुपर हिट फिल्म गंगाजल के डायरेक्टर प्रकाश झा अब काम कर रहे हैं गंगाजल 2 पर बहुत जल्द। राजनीति के बाद अजय और प्रकाश झा में हो गई थे काफ़ी इश्यूज, लेकिन अब दोनों 2003 की सुपर हिट फिल्म गंगाजल का सीक्वल में साथ काम करेंगे। करंटली प्रकाश झा अपने 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स में बिजी हैं और गंगाजल 2 की रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे इन 2013। अभी प्रकाश झा गंगाजल 2 की स्क्रिप्ट पर काम कर रहे हैं और इस फिल्म का फर्स्ट हाफ शूट किया जाएगा बिहार में। हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि अजय देवगन के फैंस को इस सीक्वल का बेसब्री से इंतजार रहेगा। Now I'm showing you the arrival of Bollywood stars in IFA Awards, which is hosted by Sidra Iqbal. Sidra Iqbal is the first charming Pakistani lady to interview all the Bollywood stars in IFA Awards.
Hi Dia and hi Sai.
Hello, how are you?
It's so brilliant to have you guys over here, and what is your expectation of IFA? We've seen you tweeting about it regularly. Your fans are going crazy. What would you say to them?
Well, as friends of IFA, this is my 10th year, and as every year will be, I'm pretty certain, as every year is, I'm pretty certain this year too will be full of fun, full of good times, and a lot of celebration.
I'm here with Ayushmann Khurrana. He's a wonderful host for IFA Rocks. Let's find out how excited is he. Welcome to Singapore.
Thank you so much. I'm super excited. This is the first time I'm hosting IFA and I'm really looking forward to it.
And what are you most excited about?
My co-host is Rangada. I think she's very beautiful and very talented. Let's see how it goes. And of course, I have a small segment with Shahid as well for the main show. And this is the first time I'm part of IFA, and it's like a great Bollywood circus. I'm really looking forward to it.
And we're so excited to have you here. We were just talking to Ayushmann, and he's been raving about the fact that he'll be absolutely distracted by your beauty. What do you have to say about that?
I think I'll get distracted by his wit. He's just really fantastic at what he does, and I'm really looking forward to hosting.
So together you guys are definitely going to be a lethal combination. What should we look forward to?
I think so. We should be lethal tomorrow.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Mr. Javed Akhtar. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to IFA.
Thank you very much.
It's so brilliant to have you here in Singapore. What are your expectations, sir?
Well, IFA means friends, great parties, good food, good music, lot of fun. So I'm sure every time when I have come for IFA, I have really enjoyed every moment, every second of it, and that's what is going to happen again.
Here with Mika, he's just arrived here in Singapore. इनसे पूछते हैं, welcome to Singapore.
थैंक यू जी, एंड मेरा ये 3rd ट्रिप है। उससे पहले मैंने सिंगापुर काफ़ी शोज़ करे हैं। बहुत ही अच्छा क्राउड है, मिक्स क्राउड है, काफ़ी तेलुगु लोग हैं, मलयाली लोग हैं, पंजाबी हैं, गुजराती हैं। सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं यहाँ पे परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ, and let's hope for the best.
Guys, we're here with the dancing guru himself, the choreographer for IFA 2012 in Singapore. Right here, Mr. Prabhudeva. Hello and welcome to Singapore.
Hello, thank you.
We know that all the stars were very, very nervous when they found out that you were choreographing. In the press conference as well, Bipasha said she's not a trained dancer, but she's very energetic. How did you find their performances?
I think they all said like that, but they're all very good because I saw the rehearsals and we have done it. They're all very good. It's not that no nervousness. They did it. They all told no, set up, but they all did it superbly. They did it. Yeah.
But you worked with so many Bollywood stars like Madhuri Dixit, Hrithik Roshan, and Sonakshi Sinha. So that really sets the bar high for them. Do you have any favorites?
Now for the IFA. Now I am doing it the first time, so a little bit tense. I can't. Everybody is my favorite first. I must do my best job, then I will judge others.
Hello.
And you've been tweeting about it. Tell us, how excited are you about Singapore?
Very happy to be back in Singapore. The last time I was here was also with IFA. So we kind of come back.
But that was 2004.
Exactly. It's been a long time. And so very happy to be back here. There's so much that's going to happen over the weekend. I'm hosting pretty much the whole show with Farhan. I'm performing on some South Indian songs, which is very different and cool for me. I still need to learn the lyrics. I will try my best to match up to all those wonderful words. And I'm going to be promoting Teri Meri Kahani. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a walk at IFA Rocks with Priyanka, and that's all I can remember right now.
Last night you were missing the Mumbai rains too much. What do you think about the Singapore showers?
I haven't seen them yet. I'm looking forward to them. Rains are always beautiful. Just as they are in Mumbai, I'm sure it's very beautiful here.
And
in
right
Singapore.
before you go, can we have the shairi from Teri Meri Kahani, please?
A very sleepy shaयर will try and do his best. खुदा ने जब तुझे बनाया होगा, एक सुरूर उसके दिल में छाया होगा. सोचा होगा क्या दूंगा तोहफे में तुझे, तब जाके उसने मुझे बनाया होगा.
Now I'm showing you the 11th year celebration of Nando's. Let's go and watch it.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and a very hot welcome to the show. हम लोग यहाँ पे प्ले टीवी यहाँ पर है आज नैंडोज सिंधी मुस्लिम सोसाइटी वाले पे, और हम लोग यहाँ पे नैंडोज की बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ 11th बर्थडे. यहाँ पे हम लोग व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून खेलेंगे नैंडोज के कस्टमर्स के साथ, और वो यहाँ से जो भी जीत के लेके जाते हैं वो उनको गिव अवे नैंडोज यहीं पे दे रहा है. How do you feel?
I feel excited.
Alright, so let's see what you get. तो आप मुझे ये बताएं कि नैंडोज की बर्थडे को क्या बोलते हैं?
If I'm not wrong, it's called Happy Birthday.
She's got it. Perfect. Okay, so device 800 discount. You're trying to, and it is no. You have to say.
Asif Ali Khan.
Okay. Okay, तो हमारे पास नैंडोज और पाकिस्तान दोनों के गेस्ट यहाँ पर हैं, और her name is, she's really gorgeous and her name is
Thank you. Andrea.
Andrea, where are you from?
From Romania.
Please go ahead. Tapal mint green giveaway. Alright, so I had really fun hosting this show here at Nando's, और अब ये मुझे चिकन अपने साथ राइड पे लेके जा रहा है, और yeah, signing off, Vijay Firoz. Stay tuned on Play TV. Thank you.
यही था आज तक एपिसोड. आई होप आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. टिल देन, दिस इज मी विजेना साइनिंग आउट. कीप वॉचिंग प्ले टीवी, लिव लाइफ एंड लव म्यूजिक.